What is a latte look? What is a latte makeup look? It is a summer bronze makeup look using caramels and browns. So let's get into this look right here. By the way, if you're new here, I'm Bridgett Harrison, aka Bridgett H, 40 plus content creator. Welcome to my channel where I give beauty tips and fashion ideas. Let's go on and jump into this latte makeup trend. It's really easy. It's something I do all the time, which is crazy. And fall's right around the corner, so we might as well, right? Okay. Now I prepped my skin with, I did a cleanser and a 2-in-1 toning serum, and that's it. So now I'm about to put some Kiehl's on. Some Kiehl's moisturizer. Since I'm doing my eyebrows last, I went ahead and put moisturizer everywhere. And I'm using Milk Hydro Primer. And I'm gonna use a synthetic brush. My cheek area, I have minimal pores to give my skin a smooth look. So that's why I use the primer, is because I want a smooth look. And sometimes with some primers, you have to be careful with the moisturizer and not doing too much, because then it'll peel, it'll rub off. And you'll be like, what'd I do? Use too many products. So be careful with that. And like I said, the goal is to have my skin smooth. I can tell you that I actually like how my skin is looking. I like how my skin feels. It doesn't feel like anything is on my skin. And that's the goal, because I don't want anything that's gonna make the makeup be like greasy looking or anything. Even though I want kind of a dewy look, I still don't want it to look greasy. I like how this feels. I don't know why I don't use this much. Milk, can y'all see me some products? No. So anyways, alright y'all, so we're gonna jump into this foundation. So I've been sitting on this for a minute, but today we're gonna use Charlotte Tilbury's Beautiful Skin. Now I'm really excited to play with this because I've been sitting on it for a minute and I need my butt whooped. It's 16-hour natural glow foundation with buildable medium coverage, and it hydrates, it smooths, and it blurs your pores, and it brightens your skin. So y'all know I'm all about a skin look. So I have number 14 Cool. Got this lip bump I had, and when you have a bump or something and you're trying to get rid of it with your foundation, just build up in an area. Okay, so let me tell you, the first thing I like to say about this foundation is that I like how it feels on my skin. It does not feel heavy. It's not giving, like, it's not super heavy. I think I could have went down a color, a notch on my number, but that's fixable, so that's not a big issue. Once I conceal and do my highlight and stuff, it'll work perfectly. Okay, so now we're coming in with the e.l.f. concealer. I'm using the Deep Caramel. Now you guys know, see, this is really, it's caramel, has like some yellow to it, a gold, which I really like. And when I'm blending, I'm pressing it into my eyes so it can go into my crease, the creases, and it will not crease. This does not crease. Y'all, I really look how that looks. I really like this. So now that we've done that, we're gonna go in with our e.l.f. Contouring Halo Glow Beauty Wand. And I have the color Tandy. The contour is like in an angle. So if you're trying to find where you should contour, you could suck your cheeks in. I'm not using a lot on the nose because I don't want it to be too much. Now I'm going to go in and buff it out and blend it. And I'm going up because I want the product to kind of lift my face. Y'all, my skin with this foundation and these products feel and look amazing. Now I'm gonna use some more of the 433 brush and blend the product that I had up, and even though I haven't done my eyes yet, I'm still just gonna blend it up into my brow. Alright, y'all, I'm loving how my skin is really looking. It's not heavy, it's just giving, it's giving skin. So now I'm coming in with my Rare Beauty's 4-in-1 setting spray, primer setting spray. And what I'm going to do is, what I really like to do is, I like to spray my face first. Once I spray my face, then I go in with my powders and set everything. And you always want to set your creams. And using something that's like a pressed powder that's like Skin Velvet Finish, that right there lets you know that you're gonna have a velvety look, and it's gonna go with your makeup look. Ugh. Then I'm gonna come in with my Haus Lab bronzing powder, and I'm gonna use Deep Level 10. And the reason why I'm using this, it said latte, so we're giving chocolate, we're giving caramel, and I want everything to be given. So that's what we're gonna use. Okay, and now I'm gonna go in with the same brush I blended out the cream with on my nose. And I'm definitely going up into my brows. So I'm gonna add a little concealer from e.l.f. on my lids and everything, so my brows, so my makeup can pop. I'm using the concealer as my primer. We're gonna pull out this bad boy. Y'all gonna see no makeup. So this is Juvia's Place Nubian 3 Coral. I'm gonna use this color right here. I love like a rustic eye, yes. And it has some gold in it, but it's not overly like overshadowing. So I'm gonna pat it on and build this eye. Oh my God, y'all. And fall is like right around the corner. This is gonna be like a dope eye. Yes, this is it right here. And I told y'all I want to keep it simple. Okay guys, and there's not a lot of fallout because I just realized I ain't put no setting powder down. So let me put some e.l.f. down real quick. Now what I'm about to do is, before I line my eye, I want to go up under my eye with the same color. Now we got our eyes done. We got to go in with some black liner from CoverGirl, and I'm going to use a flat brush. Y'all look at that. Look at this eye. And all I did was line it with some gel liner and set it with some powder. And look how it just gave me a whole bunch of drama. Like, I know you didn't. Yes, it did. I'm about to use Artist Couture Love Sprung 4. Which one is this? Okay. I'm about to use Artist Couture Love Sprung 4 for the first time. This is really, you know, I'm not, oh my God. I'm not a like, I'm really just getting into blush for myself. But this color, these soft pastels, like for what I'm wearing and the look I'm going for, it's not too much. I really like it, and it's going very well with my skin. Clearly it's brown girl friendly. And I'm just gonna hit right up in here. Bam. Artist Couture! Y'all, this is my new best friend. So I use Baby Bloom. And then I use Eternal. Baby Bloom and Eternal Flame. And I put it right here. Then I put it on top of my... And it gave me what I needed. It gave me that little, yes. Okay, so we're going to use this Benefit Brow And what I'm gonna do is still outline my brow. The good thing is when my makeup is pretty much done, it takes me no time to do my brows. Ooh, that's what the problem was. I had no brows on. So now I'm gonna kind of just stroke in. I'm not gonna do a line because I don't want the hard line. I don't feel like I got makeup on. I don't want to mess up my makeup trying to blend the line out. So I'm going strokes in an angle but up to give it a more natural look. So now that I have my brows on, I like to put my brow wigs and stuff on last. I'm gonna use e.l.f. brow lift. It's like $6 or $8, y'all. What I'm going to do is put my wand off in here and dip it right. Get the wand, get product all on the wand, and then I'm gonna put the product, like not use all of it. It's just more so like getting product all on the wand. And then I'm gonna come in and brush, and then brush up. I brush down, then I brushed up. And the thing is, that's why I waited for my brows to do them last, so I can do this. And I don't have to worry about like foundation. I don't have to worry about nothing getting on my brows. I don't have to, you know, because they look cakey and stuff, and they look really good. Okay, y'all. Was it simple? Was it easy? I tried to make it as simple as possible, but what do y'all think? Make sure you leave it in the comments, and make sure if you're not, follow me on all social media platforms. Join the text community, 972-433-9907, 972-433-9907. If you haven't subscribed, turn on notifications, and thank you. And I enjoyed this video. We had so much fun. Y'all, my brows is brown though. Let's talk about it. Anyways, thank you guys. Stay blessed. I'll talk to you sooner than later.